Hello everyone, my name is Taro Honso. Today, I'll show you how to use Felo's organization management feature. The organization management feature of Felo has the following characteristics. Support for management of the hierarchy of the organization. Support convenient and quick adjustment of organizational structure. Support for the management of member accounts and member details. Support multiple departments or multiple organizations for one user account. Support multiple different roles for one user account. Support to set the scope of visibility of members to the departments of the organization. Provide an open data interface based on standard XLS and XML. Scenes. In companies, when using other software, if managers need to adjust the organization hierarchies, he has to deliver the requests down to admin colleagues, which is time-consuming and laborious. While using the organization management feature of Felo, the managers can adjust the hierarchies with one click and move the departments efficiently. In schools, a teacher may be responsible for more than one class, while at the same time act as a school administrator. In other software, the teachers have to set up multiple accounts to correspond to all the different roles. While using Felo, one account can be used in different classes and different departments, which greatly makes the teacher's work and management easier. How to use it? Click the Main Menu button in the lower left corner of the Felo window, and click the Org Management option in the menu. On the Org Management web page, click the Contacts button to perform operations such as add members, login permission, set depart, privacy accessibility, and so on. Click the Add Subdepartment button, enter the name, and click OK to complete the creation of the department. Select a member, click Set Department, and you can set up the member to be in other or multiple departments. The organization management feature of Felo implements straightforward organizational structure. Member management is more convenient. Adding or removing departments very easy. The organization management feature helps you better manage your team.